Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kajabi to your bank in the United States step by step clearly. To withdraw from Kajabi to your bank in the United States, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Commerce option from the left sidebar. Click on Payouts under the Commerce section. You will see an overview of your payout status. Next, click on the Withdraw button to initiate a transfer. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to add your bank account details. Provide the required information such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all your bank details are accurate to avoid any issues. Once you've entered your bank information, proceed to save the changes. Return to the Payouts page to confirm your bank account is linked successfully. After confirming your bank account, click on the Withdraw button again. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Kajabi balance. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the withdrawal amount, submit your request. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds. If you encounter any issues, refer to Kajabi's support documentation or contact their support team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.